How to make an I-cord. I-cords can be worked over a different number of stitches. The number of stitches you cast on and knit in each row will determine how chunky your finished I-cord will be. First, we'll cast on 3 stitches. Now, knit the first row. Instead of turning your work, you'll now slide all the stitches back onto your second knitting needle. Knit the following row in the same direction. Gently pull your yarn across the back of the stitches, then knit the next row. Keep the yarn taut at the beginning of each new row. Every time you finish your row, slide the stitches onto the other knitting needle. Gently pull the yarn tight before you work the first stitch of each row. Then knit the next row. Repeat these steps until you reach your desired length. Top tip: if you have double-pointed needles, DPNs, at hand, you may find it easier to use these when creating an I-cord. When using double-pointed needles, you can simply slide the stitches all the way to the opposite end of your needle after each row. Once your I-cord has reached the required length, cut a yarn tail of around 15 centimeters. Thread your sewing needle with the tail end. Slip the last 3 stitches from your knitting needle onto your sewing needle, starting from the opposite end to where the tail is attached to the stitch. Once all the stitches sit securely on the sewing needle, remove the knitting needle. Then, draw tight to fasten off your I-cord. You can now create an I-cord.